what's the problem with the Zoom? We're just about to wind up. It's just 5 minutes. Yeah. Shanu, can you please ask those who have left to just join for 5 minutes so that we can close and wind up this module? Shanu and Nishta?
Yes, sir, I'm asking.
Yeah, just
Yes,
5 minutes
sir.
more, please. Let me close this module. I know we have run off the time, but these are certain terminology you will not find during your module. So I want it to be discussed with thorough. Yeah, Yogesh. Can you please quickly connect with Veena and Dan? It's a very important and just still will take 5 minutes. I'll wind up in 5 minutes. I'll make sure that I'll wind up in 5 minutes, right?
Sure, sir. One moment.
Yeah. Now, what is SI? देखिए ये कॉन्सेप्ट आपको यहाँ नहीं मिलेंगे ऑल्दो इस कॉन्सेप्ट को बहुत डिटेल में समझाना चाहिए था बट ड्यू टू लिमिटेशन ऑफ द कंटेंट ओवर हियर इट्स राइट एसआई जो है इट इज रेफर टू सिस्टमैटिक इंटरनलाइजर एसआई का फुल फॉर्म होता है प्लीज जॉट डाउन कर लीजिए कहीं एसआई स्टैंड फॉर सिस्टमैटिक इंटरनलाइजर is an investment firm which a counterparty deals with its proprietary capital. It's not a trading venue. ये एक तरीके का इंटरनल प्लेटफॉर्म है जहां पे काउंटर पार्टी डील्स विद इट्स प्रोप्राइटरी कैपिटल द फॉर्मल डेफिनेशन has been provided under MiFID is SIs are the investment firm which are on a organized, frequent, systematic and substantial basis deal on its own account when executing client order outside a regulated market or multilateral trading facility or a organized trading facility without operating a multilateral system. देखिए समझने की कोशिश कीजिए. Is everybody back? Can you see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Sir, Veena is back, but Piyush is not picking up the phone.
No, sure. Systematic internalizer. It's an investment firm in which a counterparty deals with its proprietary capital, not a trading venue. इसका क्या meaning है? इसका ये meaning है. It's an investment firms which on a organized, frequent, systematic basis deal on its own account when executing client order outside regulated market, multilateral facility, OTF without operating a multilateral system. देखिए एसआई का क्या मतलब है समझने की कोशिश कीजिए. मान लीजिए मेरे पास 10 ऑर्डर है. एक तो ये है कि मैंने 10 ऑर्डर को अलग अलग एग्जीक्यूट किया जैसे क्लाइंट ने दिया वैसे मैंने मल्टीलेटरल ऑर्डर सिस्टम में डाल दिया. एक मैंने क्या किया 10 ऑर्डर को पूल करके मेरी तरफ से एक प्रोप्राइटरी ऑर्डर छोड़ दिया in the market. Can you understand the difference? I've
Yes,
got
sir.
10 orders to buy, right? So instead of sending 10 multilateral orders on the trading venue, so SI is an investment firm which pools the orders and send it and show it as of the order is coming from the proprietary capital. So it's an investment firm which on a organized frequent या तो वेट करेगा for